Hi guys, I am Emiko Baldonado. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do this pinky peach makeup look. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I-click mo yung bell para notify ka kung may bago akong video. Please follow me sa aking social media. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay guys, let's start with the clean face. Then I'm gonna start off with my kilay. I'm gonna use this Unbelievable by L'Oreal. To clean my brows, I'm gonna use this Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. Naglagay na rin ako ng concealer sa eyelid ko. Now, isi-set ko siya using this Final Powder by Nichido. Now, I'm gonna use this EV Advance Power Paint Color Cream. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa eyelid ko. Then, papatungan ko siya nitong Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Shala. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use this Eye White Korea Aqua Glow Moisturizer. And for my foundation, I'm gonna use this You Can Face It Foundation by Squad Cosmetics. Dalawang color yung ginamit ko, hinahalo ko sila. Now for my contour, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. Now magla-lashes na ako, but before that, magka-curl lang ako ng eyelashes, then mascara. And for the blush, I'm gonna use this again, the Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Shala. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use this EV Advance Blowout Highlighter in the shade Strobe. I'm gonna go back sa aking mascara, but hindi ko siya lalagay sa lashes ko, kundi sa eyebrow ko. Para maging bushy pa siya lalo. For the lips, I'm gonna use this again, the EV Advance Power Paint Multi-Use Color Cream. Lalagay ko siya sa lips ko. Then we're done. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Lahat ng products na ginamit ko, ililink ko siya sa description box below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click yung bell para notify ka kung may bago akong video. Please follow me sa aking social media. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye!